Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing my content, thank you for engaging my videos through your comments, and most importantly, thank you for sticking around. If you're watching for the very first time, my name is Chidima Evening. Please do well to subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for engaging my posts through your comments, and most importantly, thank you for sharing my content. I really do appreciate. And if you're watching for the very first time, please do well to subscribe. My name is Chidima Evening and I'm here to share your food content. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing to my videos. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking my videos, thank you for engaging my posts through your comments, and most importantly, thank you for sharing my content. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Chidima Evening. Please do well to subscribe, click the bell notification, engage my comment through your posts. Jesus. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hello. Babe, in what room space? In what room space? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for engaging my videos through your comments, and most importantly, thank you for sharing my content. And if you're watching for the first time, please do well to subscribe. My name is Chidima Evening. I'm here to share you food content, home organization, maybe DIY ideas, and a lot more things that you would really enjoy. So please stick around and let's get started. So today I want to hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Chidima Evening. You're in the right place, and what I do here on this channel is I basically show you how I cook my food, and you can also recreate the same. I show you how to organize your home, how to do your home decor, interior design, home gardening, and a whole lot more, just how to. So if you're watching for the first time, please tune in, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, give me a thumbs up, and share this video. So today I just want to show you how to do the Nigerian party jollof.
Oh my god.
We don't let me crop oil out.
So today I want to show you how to cook the Nigerian stew party style. Alright?
You may go do mistake. You be the
I want
crop
to
oil.
make bechon. Yeah, no, can you stop? As in my lengthy videos, I don't like it. When you kill it to the end, when I'm short, I can easily pick.
Oh, yeah.
Stop, where babe. Come on. Today, I want to show you how I cook Nigerian stew party style. So let's get right into it.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Darren Chemeka. I'm to tell you about the dry season in Nigeria. Recently, wear your raining coat, socks, and your umbrella. Who helps your kite to fly? The wind helps your kite to fly. Thank you.
Now it's time to call it a night and a day. Bye-bye. That's what I do here. So if you see this video and these things I do interest you or there are things you love, please do also subscribe to my channel. share my videos, and comment on my posts. And for those that have been with me, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for motivating me. God, no, God. You'll be trying it. Make sure you try it, Sha. Okay, well, I challenge you. Please try this recipe
Mama,
and let me
you
know
fat?
what you think.
Huh?
I'm not fat, I'm slim. Help me try this recipe and let me know. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright? So thank you so much. So okay, please, Miriam, can you go? I'm doing something. So thank you so much for staying. Hi babes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's me here again, Chidima Evelyn, and if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Chidima Evelyn here again, and today I know you guys miss seeing my face, right? So I'm back to serve you better, give you content back to back, right? Okay, so I'm back today with another banger, and I want to make banger soup. Bye. Jesus. God. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, hi, yeah, hi. Yeah, boss. Guys, I can't believe it's a Christmas series day. Yes. And today I am bringing you something so good, so gooey, and so simple. I don't know if you know cinnamon rolls, but tastes so good. Let me say this. Hi babes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You can see today I'm wearing my shoulder pads very high because you guys are making me very happy. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I am grateful. Okay, so if you're seeing me for the first time, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching for the first time, blah, blah, blah.